Hello everyone, let's try to create this transition and see how it look like. If you if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. You see, it's something very easy and beautiful. Let's see how we can create. At first, we need the background. You can download the background page and add it from here. Insert to the background by formatting background and adding from here. Okay, we add the background. We need to create these shapes. How we can do that? It's really easy. We just create this shape. It's exactly look like this shape. You see, they are alike. I delete this. After creating this shape, you need to align it here. Okay, after aligning it here, you need to write the text, but this text has a unique font, Overdrive Sunset, that you see here. It make it unique. You see, it's beautiful. After adding text, we need to create these four shapes. Let's say we create them. It's just easily. We just type in them. We type in them the next. For example, let's say we just paste the shape here. And after pasting the shape, we select this option and then just bold the title. How? We go to home and set this option and it's created. Tada! It's look as amazing as you can see. But we need to create this thing and the option. Some of you may ask how you align this four shape in a page. For that, I'm going to show you how I align them. It's easy. Let's say we have just one shape. How I can find them to align in the perfect distances? It's really easy. Just the thing you need to do is that you create we have another ways, but this is my way. You can use any way you like, but I like it. You create a rectangle from the middle, exactly from the middle. Then copy that to see that it is exactly from the middle. You see, they're exactly from the middle. Then create another rectangle and from the align it center. Then select these two and set them to fragment. Okay. Now we just need to put them here. Then put the each shape, send it to front, put the each shape in the center of these ones. And then you can create an exactly formed shape. Let me just delete them. You see they are in a perfect distance. Okay, now let's go the work with here. We create them here. Now we need to create this first slide. How we can create them? We copy this page and go here and align them in the center. But you see, we have a problem. What is the problem? The problem is that we need this page to have order. How we can create the order? We send it to back and then bring this to front, bring this to front, bring this to front, and bring this to front. We are managing the layers of the presentation. Now in here, we align them. We align them in the not middle. Let's copy that. We align them, go to shape format, align them in the center. Now we bring them here. Now let's make the magic happen. Send the transition. Let's see. You see, it's a really great effect that we created. You can use it whenever you want. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will absolutely answer you. Have a nice time. Until then, bye.